Welcome to HP Calcs. My name's Rick, and today we will be looking at how to convert between decimal degrees and degrees, minutes, seconds on the Sharp EL-531XT Calculator. To do this, we will be using the second function key located here and the DMS key located here. Alright, to start, let's enter 45 degrees, 30 minutes, 0 seconds. We do this by entering 45 and then hitting the DMS key. You can see the degree symbol up there. 30 for our minutes. Again, DMS key. And you can see the minutes symbol there. And then 00 for our seconds. And our DMS key one more time. We now have 45 degrees, 30 minutes, 0 seconds. And if we want to convert this into decimal degrees, which we know is 45.5 degrees, we simply hit second function, DMS, and you can see up at the top our original value converted to 45.5 degrees. What if we had 45.5 degrees and wanted it to convert to 45 degrees 30 minutes? Well, in that case, we would enter our 45.5 and then second function, DMS. And you can see we now have 45.5 on the top and 45 degrees, 30 minutes, 0 seconds on the bottom. Alright, I hope this helps and good luck on those tests.